guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this bunny. I'm going to go in first and I'm going to base coat my background here, and I am just using the color cotton. And then once I'm done with that and it's dried a little bit, I'm going to go in with putty for my Easter bunny here. And to base coat my Easter bunny, I'm just using a number 12 flat. And you guys, all of this paint that I use pretty much in all my videos is Dixie Belle chalk paint. And you can purchase the paint, the brushes, and the cutout I use all at buildacross.com. I'm going in now with soft pink for the inside of his ears. And I'll also use soft pink for a couple of his flowers. And again, don't worry if you get outside the lines, you guys, because all that's going to be covered up by a different paint, or eventually when I outline, that cleans up a lot of mistakes. This is Lucky Lavender. And then I'm going to go in with Peony. And these three colors, Peony, Lucky Lavender, and Soft Pink, are my three favorite colors for flower groupings. And then I'm going to use Limeade for the leaves. And pretty much every time I'm doing leaves or really any greenery here lately, I'm always grabbing Limeade because I absolutely love it. It is bright and fun. And now I'm just going to dry everything so that I'm able to outline. And I'm actually choosing to outline this with a Sharpie marker as far as like his head and ears and stuff go. So I'm just making sure all that's dry. Because I will be using the Sharpie brush stroke marker. We do sell those online if you guys want to check out what I'm talking about. And it is important that everything is dry before you use those markers, or you'll mess up your marker. I definitely prefer to use these markers just because they're so easy and give you really good like stability, so you're able to make really clean lines. However, if you want to go in with paint, I'd recommend like an apple barrel acrylic because it's a more watered down paint, and a number 4 round. Now I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and some white paint, and I'm going to do the little details in my flowers. And you guys, those are etched in, so I'm just going over those. And then I'm highlighting my bunny. And then I'm going to go in with my sponge brush and some chocolate brown paint and just dress the edges and go over my board and batten to really make it stand out. And then that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.